and he forgot a ranch.
Just kidding.
That's not even funny. Here, the wings. Honey biscuits.
Wait, it's good.
Wow.
What's this one? It's $3.
You want a $5?
Yeah, why not?
Wow, the honey is so sweet.
Oh, it's good one.
It's salty. Yeah, it's really good. It's just so good. The stuffed cream's so good.
Yeah, it's amazing. Oh, this one's a little wet.
Alright, time to die.
Holy!
No, seriously though.
Oh my! That was God.
Spicier than burrito.
No, it's not gonna be that spicy.
Oh my god.
Oh, good.
That's pretty hot. It's really good.
Ah, good. Oh, it's good block. Just cheat code. Yeah, see that? It's really good. Stuff. The things that he does.
At my boyfriend's house right now, and we're gonna make some guac. We have our chips here for the guac. These are the best. We haven't tried many chips, but these are the best ones because they're thin and crispy. Like.
Oh my goodness, come on.
What are they so loud for? Onion powder? Okay, that's just dropped the
Can we put a little bit more? And then maybe a little bit more garlic powder.
Alright.
Wow, that's close. Is it better?
Chips so salty, don't you think? And garlic powder?
Something is missing.
I guess it's a lime.
I think it's salt. I think we need.
But the chip's so salty.
Something is missing though. What are we missing?
I think because store-bought lime is like a lot of juice.
Shingle.
Yeah, this one's a lot.
That's better. There we go. Oh, cha! Doing it?
I feel like we're missing the line. Where? Do you like the other table? Does anyone?
Not really. It's good, right?
It tastes like Jolly Rancher's watermelon.
You have to drink it fast. I'm not sipping tea right now. What are you doing?
Like we're just gonna be fighting the flag.
So, which is how.
For dinner, we're actually gonna make cheese katsu, but we don't have cheese, so we're gonna go buy cheese. We just went to the store to buy chicken, but now we have to go back to get cheese. Got the cheese. 그럴까요?
맛있어. Right?
That's really good.
Well, I did really good. I did really good on the sauce. I mean, everything, the egg,
Dude, everything's good.
yeah.
This is so good. Oh my goodness. The egg is perfectly like.
Yeah, really good texture.
Dude, it's so good.
Dude, this is really
Do
good.
this for your mom. That's really good.
I really like it. Good.
Good job.
Thank you. Nothing is overpowering. There's
Yeah,
no,
it's like perfect.
there's no sweetness, there's no sweetness. It's just all really good together.
Chef.
아 진짜 이거는 I won't be like embarrassed to put it out there. I think it could compete with a lot.
Yeah, me too. He makes the best omurice.
The taste is so well balanced.
It's like perfectly sweet and like savory.
Texture is really good too.
No, like If they sold this at a restaurant, like I would order it.
Yeah, me too. I know I made it, but like, I'm honest. I'm honest with my cooking. I know when it's like not that good, but this one's really good.
Dude, like I literally would buy this. Wow. Good job, honey. This is the. It's still on. It's not even crispy.
It's so good. It's good. Yeah, it's really good. Right?
And it's not crispy.
Considering what we had, if it was
Taste is good.
if it was pencils, katsu, it was
Or
good.
it's a thicker breadcrumb.
Yeah. It's just chilling in there. Oh, it looks good.
If you wait, it gets crispy.
Just pour it. It's peach. I saw sour peach. Sour peach. That's good, right? 맛있어? 쌈딱 맞는 것 같은데. 아니. First taste. Do we even need like? Dude, I can't wait for this week to be over, and then we get a long weekend.
For brunch today, I made avocado egg salad toast. In a bowl, I added my hard-boiled egg and some avocado and some avocado oil mayo. And for seasoning, I added black pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder. It's honestly really good with lemon juice, but I didn't have any lemon juice. The mixture on my toasted bread, and I also had some blueberries and cherries. Hey guys, so I just got ready and I'm about to go out with my sister. We're going to a dessert place. We're gonna study a bit and eat our dessert. It is really hot outside. Sister and I went on a walk this morning, so we got our little exercise in. This is what I'm wearing, just like a white tank top and some shorts. So tired. Been shopping for so long, but we didn't buy anything.
For brunch, I had avocado toast with some sriracha and spinach and eggs. Then around 2 p.m. I went to the gym and hit my legs.
Just got back from workout. I did legs today and my legs are dead. For post-workout snacks, I'm eating some apples and peanut butter. I have some chips and I'm gonna dip it in cream cheese, but I usually would make a protein shake right now, but it's almost dinner time and my mom's making chicken. So chicken has a lot of protein. We don't need to drink a protein shake right now. Right now I'm watching Who Killed Sarah and it's actually so good. Like I'm on season 2. I love how this season 2 came out so fast. It's literally going everywhere.
For dinner, my mom's making her spicy chicken, and this recipe is so good. So make sure to save a little bit of sauce so you can put it on top after adding your vegetables. You can also adjust the seasoning to your liking. We also added 1 more spoon of hot pepper flakes and fish sauce. We also added a spoon of sesame oil. We also topped it off with sesame seeds. And also added perla leaves and green onion at the end. just came back home from trying out the new BTS meal. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm actually uploading the video right now. So by the time this vlog goes up, you guys probably would have seen the new BTS video. Boyfriend's at work right now, and when he was on his lunch break, I literally dragged him. I was like, we're trying this new meal. Like, video's uploading right now. It's around 2 or 4 p.m. I'm gonna go to the gym now but you know, since I had to try out the new BTS meal, I didn't gym yet. I'm gonna go soon, probably in 5 minutes.
Really don't feel like gymming right now. I didn't go on Monday, so I have to go today. Any of you guys go to your gym? Like, does anyone wear mask now? Like, nobody wears mask now because they lifted off the mask mandate. I'm the only one that wears a mask. Got done at the gym. McDonald's meal made me so thirsty, but I didn't even drink any water. So at the gym today, I did 1 hour upper body workout, and then I also did 30 minutes of the TikTok cardio workout, the 12 incline, 3 speed, 30 minutes. And that was like a good finisher, I think. Really liked that. Really didn't want to come to the gym today, but I really pushed myself. I was like, I'm gonna work out and, you know, go strong, and I did. Is that good? To the grocery store and bought some things, and I want to show you guys what I got. First thing, we actually got pasta sauce, vodka, because I was craving pasta, and tomorrow we don't really have time to make the sauce, so just store-bought sauce. This, I'm so excited for this. I heard really good things about it, and it's so healthy. 23 grams of protein. Greek yogurt. For a while I was craving Oreo thins, especially the lemon one. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know they're this thin. This is what I was craving. This Parmesan cheese for the pasta. Carb counter tortilla. I heard really good things about this too. Only 35 calories. 7 grams of fiber. That's crazy. Parsley, green onion, avocados. They were out of my favorite popcorners, the queso one. So I had to settle with these again. Some brown sugar oatmeal. These are my fave. So good. And I was craving peanut butter chocolate cereal, and I never tried this. I want to put this actually in my yogurt granola. I feel like it'd be good. That is it, y'all.